Good afternoon, members of the press. You are welcome to this very important press conference. It's a press conference called in respect of the planned eviction of this community, Makoko community. Makoko community is an historical site that has hundreds of thousands of people. It's a place of aquatic splendor, but now ravaged by poverty and backwardness. Now, we are of the firm opinion that the Lagos State government is intent through some private sharks to take over this land and turn it to private estate. So I will start with introduction from my extreme right. Introduce yourself.
My name is Kilanko Credit.
Okay, you represent who?
I'm at Somoro compound.
My name is Makoko.
My name is Akoyo Jackson. I'm representing Somoro community.
My name is Tosuga Kele, current coordinator of Human Rights in Africa, living in Makoko community.
My name is Femi Frederick. I'm representing Obuago.
My name is Phineas Kuja, representative of Somoro community.
My name is Ambrose, the representative of Makoko.
My name is Akoyo Joseph, representative of Somoro community.
Comrades, the purpose of this press conference is to highlight the state of Makoko community as they have already introduced themselves. They are representatives of different parts of this community. Sometimes, about 4 years ago, Lagos State government came out with a similar plan like this. And in most cases they are not. They act through private, so-called private developers. But in the research, what we discover is that these so-called private developers don't really act in any form of development. Their major aim is to help drive away the residents of these communities, the people who have lived here, dwellers in these communities for hundreds of years, and turn it to an abode of the foolish. We saw a striking example of that in Otodubare. Otodubare was an exclusive community of Igbo people, and it was a community of informal people, of people who are struggling below the bar to live. Eventually, Lagos State government, aided by the governor of the state at that time, Mr. Akimu Miyambode, because you see face crimes against humanity for that. Ultimately, the Nigerian police force, the Nigerian army, demolished that community and ended the living of people in that community. And we are very sure that their plan this time around is to repeat what they did in Otodubare. But are we going to allow them? Are we going to allow them? No! We are not going to allow them. We are going to put up the heaviest resistance against this latest attack on our living standards. As we speak now, just across the ocean over there, where you have the terminal bridge, there is a dredging machine that is dredging that particular place, all with the intent of driving out the millions of people that are here, living here for donkey years, and put their lives at risk. And ultimately, the Otodubare massacre was just a prelude to the popular Lekki massacre. So on the 20th of October 2020, when eventually the guns of the Nigerian army boomed at Lekki toll gates, it was not just the Lekki massacre that happened, it was the Otodubare massacre that has happened, and many other massacres that have happened. Now, this is 2022, we cannot afford another Makoko massacre on our land. It is impossible, and we are totally opposed to that. And if they ask us that, is it not possible to rebuild this entire community For journalists who came into this place, because this is where the poorest of the poor stays. There's no road, there's nothing, no pipe of water, nothing for the people. According to the World Bank, Lagos State government generates about 11 trillion naira per year, and his GDP, the 11 trillion naira is more than the GDP of 5 neighboring West African countries. Apart from that, is that internally generated revenue of Lagos State government is more than 11 states combined together. There is so much money in Lagos State to build enough housing, to rebuild the houses here, to provide education for our people and everything. Then two is that Nigeria itself generates around $18 trillion per year from oil wells. According to the Oxfam International, about five individuals control these humongous wells. About 18,747 politicians collect humongous amounts from these enormous oil wells, while the rest of our people live in monstrous poverty. The same World Bank reported that 1% of Nigeria's population control 98% of these enormous oil wells resources. 99% of this population of around 200 million people, including the people seated here in this audience, live less than $1 a day. This is blatant capitalism. You cannot allow it, and we must not allow it. Now, on top of it, they want to drive out the rest of us into the sea. And we say a total no to that. We say what? A total no. We say no to this demolition. Contrary to demolition, what we want is a reconstruction of this community to be able to have enough housing, enormous housing for everybody. And this is not miracle. We are not asking for miracle. We are not asking for magic. In 1979, Alhaji Lateef Jakande, we built a large portion of Lagos State. There were housing for the poor, thousands of houses for the poor. There were schools for the poor. Despite the overwhelming population of Lagos State has one of the lowest educational performance in the states of the country. It is nothing to write home about. We cannot continue to live in this state of miasma. We cannot continue to live in this state of poverty amidst prosperity. We cannot continue to live under people who want to live off. In fact, what happened to the government was that after they drove out the thousands of people, you all know to the government, yes or no? Yes. They drove out our people that are to the government, and then they turned the place to Periwinkle Estate. Which estate? They divided the land for the top 5 billionaires in this country. We cannot afford Makoko, which has been home for 30 years for a lot of people, to turn to an estate, an enclave for some billionaire big fat cats who eat off the enormous wealth of our sweat. We will stand up, we will resist any attempt by any private developer, by Lagos State government, with the last pins of our blood. I want to further add that we are just starting. This press conference is just one of many other mobilizations we're going to be conducting all around Makoko to say no to this oppression. So I say Makoko, Mitowe, Obuato, Mitowe, Sokuro, Mitowe, Midadepa, Midadepa. So we continue to struggle until victory. See our leader continue.
Community. Makoko, Mitowe, Okuagbo, Mitowe, Soguro, Mitowe, Midogbe Palo, Mitowe. Yeah, together we stand. Yes. Together we stand. I'm going to speak on behalf of the 3 communities. Wherever you are, please. We don't want any miracle to happen. We don't want a magic. All we want is you to do us what we want. And out of the demands we need, here are the list of them. The demand of Makoko, the demand of Soguro, and the demand of Okuagbo. Number 1 of it is, we are saying no to land grabbing. Is that what it is? Yes. We say no to land grabbing. Yes. And stop grabbing our homes, please. Yes. Stop grabbing our homes from us. Here is where we are born, and we have the right to that. Number 2, don't chase us out. Please and please, do not chase us out of our homes. Number 3, the right to live here is a right government must not take away from us. That is our right. Government, you mustn't take away this right from us. The right to live here is our right. We want adequate compensation for our people affected unconditionally. So many things have happened to us. Please, we want adequate compensation. Adequate compensation. Number 5, stop the dredging. Find an alternative to it. It is causing hazard to our home. This is causing hazard to our home. Number 6, yes to development, but under democratic what? Representation. We are saying yes to it, but it should be under democratic representation. This demand should be enough to give us what we want. Thank you all.